Yeah, how are you? I want to do a live trade here. So let me execute uh, let me execute on volatility 75 1s. I want to do a live trade. I want to do a live trade 0.02. Let me sell. I want to sell. Let me put another one. I want to sell. Let me put another one also. Let me put like 3. Okay, I've made 3 sales. Now let me explain how I have come to this conclusion. I think I can add a 4th one, because according to the speed, the, the volatility, I can add another one. It's not too volatile. So I have 4. This is a live trade. So let me first go and set my stop loss. All my stops are above this week. If the market comes above this week, I am stopped out. Otherwise, I'm going to target 1 to 2. So after 1 to 2, I'll have clocked the trades at break even. Then I'll target the daily, the high time frame lows here on daily. So I'm going to record this video until the first target is met of 1 to 2 on 1 minute, and if it loses or wins, I'm going to post it anyway on YouTube. So this is a live trade. This is how I trade. This is how we trade. Okay, this is how we trade. Let me move away that floating button. I'm trusting the volatility. Okay, so my stops are here. Let me set the stop loss. Let me set the stop loss. This is a live trade. It's a live trade. So my stops are above here. My stops above here. This is where my stops are. So it is 78, 89, 41. Let me see the stop losses. 78, 89, 41 modify. 78, 70. Sorry, 78, 49.80.81. That is it. No, it's not the one. It's not the one. Let me reset it again. 78, 89.41. That's the stop loss. 78, 89.41. 78, 89.41. So those are my stop losses. Let me set for all the trades. 78, 89.41. So after setting all the stop losses, I'm gonna explain why I entered the trades here. So watch this video. I'm gonna record until the target of 1 to 2 is got on 1 minute. That's when I look at break even. Then I target whatever I target on the higher time frame. So it was 78, 89.41. That's the stop loss. Okay, There we go, we have one to go. 78, 78, 89.41. Okay, I've set the stop losses for all the trades. Let me just confirm. Okay, it is that one is having it. Let me confirm this one also. Okay, so guys, this is a real account. This is not a demo. Yes, as you can tell from its account balance. Okay, there we go. Let us give the trade time and we see how it's going to move. I may even add some orders because I was thinking this. I was thinking this. I was thinking that the lot size I've used is much, but it's not that much, so I might add other orders. So let me first show. Let me show my targets. Let me show my targets on this time frame. Okay, so my targets on M1 are here. So I'm assuming I was supposed to enter at the breakout of this candle. Okay, the breakout of this. So from that line, from the closure of that candle, I want to measure the ratio of 1 to 2. Then I set my break-even point. Okay, at the closure of this candle here, around here. So that is 1 to 1. That is 1 to 1. And again another one. So 1 to 2. I'll be at break even at this point. This is my break even point. Then I'm going to target the daily row. So let's see how the trade is going to move. I'm going to hold until it reaches this level or until it hits my stop loss. Let's wait and see. Okay. These are live trades. I don't want to hide anything. Those are my targets. That's how I trade. And you can see momentum is kicking in. So I'm not the guy who is going to go on the chart. Then I target 1 to 2. I target 1 to 20. I target 1 to 20, 1 to 10 minimum. So 1 to 2 is just my break even point. Yes, as you can see. Okay. So this is how we trade live. This is how we trade live. So the moment it hits the target, I'm gonna show you. The moment I look at break even, I'll show you each and everything, the analysis that I've actually made to enter this trade. You can see the trade is moving as we anticipated. So let's wait. That is the power of knowledge, knowing what you're doing. So remember, after reaching our 1 to 1, we should not forget our target, our break even point. Sorry, after reaching 1 to 2, because I look at break even when the trade reaches 1 to 2. Around here, I would have entered from here. So I will just look all the trades here when it's 1 to 2. There. Okay, let's wait and see. So this is a live trading. This is a live trading. You can see the drawdown we had was very small, and the trade is moving. It's actually about to hit our target. That's the break even point. So you can see everything is planned, not just a matter of coming to the chart. Mind you, I analyzed this trade from the daily time frame, and that I was a little bit busy and I missed somewhat some setups. Let me move this floating button a little bit. Okay. So guys, you can see how we trade live. This video is becoming too long, so in case it hits the target, either the stop loss or the target here in 1 minute, I'm going to stop this video, then I'll create another video about the setup, how I came up with these setups. Then I'll post it, I will attach it in the description. If I don't do that, it will also be on the channel. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So guys, as we watch and wait to see this trade, if you like the way we trade and you would actually want to trade like us, you can reach us via whatsapp. You can reach us via our whatsapp, and the whatsapp number will be attached in the link in the description of the video. So the link will be in the description of this video. We can train you to have a sharp eye to watch setups like these ones and more. So reach us at Africa is Trading. We are always more than ready to help. So do a well also, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel, as it also helps us a lot in motivating us to do contents like this one. So the trade has lowered, has slowed down a little bit, but now that is part of trading. The trade does not move at once at all time. Sometimes it moves slowly, it slows down, so you have to be patient and stick to your trading plan. So as per my trading plan, this is not the break-even point yet. So if it decides to go back to my stop loss, I'll let it go. However, let us hold and see what the trade will give us. And even you can see from just reading the market directly, it is slowing down. That pullback is slowing down, so it's more likely to continue downwards. So in Africa is Trading, we train you how to read market structure like a pro. You read market structure and just look at the market and know what the market's going to do next. Let's be patient. That's the game, like the key in this game, patience. When you're not patient, you're not going to survive in this destructive trading world. Okay, so we have to be patient and see the results. And that's what we are doing right here. See, the pullback is losing its momentum. Anytime momentum is going to kick in our direction, because now remember we have the direction bias and a lot of like a lot of confirmation is in our direction. Just wait and see. Okay, there we go. The momentum is almost it is coming in, it is kicking in, and the trade is almost hitting our target. So this is the target, but this is not where I close the trades. This is not where I close the trades. This is a break even point. So because I trade higher time frame setups, weekly, daily setups, and my entry is on 1 minute, I don't want to look at break even on 1 to 1. So I look at break even on 1 to 2. That's what I'm going to do right here. Okay, you can say when profits were in profits. Let me check if the trade has reached my break even. Not yet. Okay, almost there. So guys, I'm going to end here this recording, but the way I've analyzed and come to this entry reason is also going to be made, and I'll include it in another video that I'm actually going to make. So be ready to check out the video on our YouTube channel. Okay, we have to stick to our rules. Even if it comes close to our break even, if it doesn't touch it, I don't do what, I don't look at break even. So there we go. Our trade is going to win anytime. Just a little pip, just half pip. Our trade is going to win anytime. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Okay, there we go. We have it. That's a winning trade. That's how we trade here at Africa is Trading. So endeavor to reach us if you need help in trading.